Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say very big welcome. Thank you to most of us that be patronizing Austin Global, especially this festival period. We appreciate you. So a quick one, let me tell you, the magic knuckle remover you guys be asking me, Austin Global, please, we need it. When are we getting it? It's not much more available. This is the blend pronine that I'll be telling you. In 2 weeks, your knuckles are off. 14 days, no matter how stubborn. Let's say for those of you who have soft knuckles, 1 week, which is 7 days. But those of us who have deep knuckles, 7 to 14 days, with us 2 weeks. Deep knuckles that you'll be complaining that you can't come out, you can't sample your feet, you can't sample your elbows anymore. For those of you even like your dark inner thigh, dark spot, how you might call it, those are small problem to this solution. It has been a solution to a lot of people who have deep problems about dark elbow or knuckles, or my cream is not working. This is what you just need. Don't throw that your cream off. That your cream that is not working, don't throw it off. Just buy this and put one of it inside. You see your problem is solved. And your knuckle, you'll be battled with your knuckles for years now. You'll be battled. Very good a thing that you've met Austin Global today. How are you? Yes, I am Austin Global, and this is what will cure your knuckle. So pick your phone and chat me now via WhatsApp. All right, so it is what it is. Knuckles is the smallest case so far. We know we have some bad knuckles as these, like you're seeing on this screen right now. We have some dark feet as these that you're seeing on the screen right now. We have some dark elbows as this, as you see on the screen right now. But trust me, it's what we can solve with this. No magic. No, if there is magic, this is the magic. If it's not magic, you call it solution, this is the solution. How you may call it, this is it. Trust me, it works perfectly. There's no two ways about it. No place you will see it. If anybody be telling you about blend from now, I am the originator, I am the founder. This is our product, all right? So don't let anybody deceive you. If you need it, it's only us you can get it from. All right, don't let anybody this is only us. If you go get it elsewhere, it's fake. It's not original blend pronine. The original blend pronine, look at it. You can use it to clear your dark knuckles. You can use it to clear your dark feet. You can use it to clear your dark elbows, your inner thighs. You can use it also to mix your cream. And that your cream that is not working for you, you can use this. Only this alone can activate your cream. All right, after you've done all the promising, all the necessary additive you want to put, just put them. After you've put them, then relax, then add this one. As you put this, automatically you've activated it. Look at it. Yes, 50 ml, it is what it is. This is what is doing the great solution, the great help to everybody. It is what it is. So don't be deceived at all. Don't be deceived. So don't be deceived at all that I sell is only Austin Global, that's where you can get it. All right, yes, it does a lot. And I haven't heard about this. If you want us to ship to you, we ship everywhere. If your pimples or you're having a lot of clogs on your face, like they're disturbing you, shut us up. We have a solution for you. Least problem that you have that you can even cry about. All right, these major ones, shut us up also, we treat them for you. I just tell you something that which nobody can guarantee you. In 7 days for soft knuckles, those that have soft knuckles, then 14 days for those who have deep knuckles. When you see these deep knuckles, you know that this one, you will be thinking that it's your village people. No, it's because of the wrong product you use, or because of I don't know anyway, but this is the solution you need to use. Trust me. All right, so now, so my people, the Easter is still they come for Gragidigba. So if you won't come out, well, you won't do shalege, this is what you need. I don't tell you how you fit to use them. You use them, they miss both your cream as well also. if you use a direct on your knuckles. It is what it is. So bye bye.